Hey, it's Monday Mortgage, and this is James Hamby, and I got Brandy with me from Guarantee Rates. Always a pleasure to have you.
Good morning.
Absolutely. So today, Brandy and I are going to go all the way back to the basics.
Yep.
With our favorite loan.
VA,
Veterans Administration Loan, right? Yep. And so a lot of people are going, don't they? They freak out. Well, actually, what's really cool with the VA, who all is qualified to get a VA loan?
Well, you're active duty or retired veterans. So,
Which is the Army,
yep,
Navy, Marines, Air Force,
National Guard,
and Coast Guard, right? So that is a wide variety of military stats of people that can qualify whether they're active or they're retired.
Correct.
And we were talking a few minutes ago, and guess what's neat? They can do any loan amount, right?
Right. No loan limits on VA.
So no loan limits. So they want to buy $1,500,000 house, they can do that. So that's something pretty cool to keep in mind.
Yeah. No jumbo rates on those.
No jumbo. And so they're basically 100% financing, right?
Correct.
Their lender fees are waived. What else? Anything else good for them?
With the guaranteed rate, their lender fees are waived. We don't have an origination fee, so they can really save a lot of money off of closing costs. So,
yeah.
No mortgage insurance.
So think about somebody that's renting, and when they pay their rent, they're basically paying that landlord's mortgage, right? So that's 100% interest.
That's right.
Versus regardless of what the interest rate is in the mortgage, whether it's 5, 6, 7, 8%, that's better than 100%.
Right.
Don't you think?
Mm-hmm. I do.
So think about that, guys, is that when you're working with a buyer and they've served our country, what a great way to help them with the VA loan.
Yeah, absolutely.
100%. I love it. And for all those people that have served our country and continue to serve, and those that have retired and been gracious enough to serve our country, we want to thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your
So
service.
absolutely. Big time. So what else we want to talk about today? Anything else? What's on your heart?
Well, we could talk about soft credit pulls.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Soft credit pulls.
So soft credit pulls, if you've got a client just looking to find out what they qualify for, that they're not ready, maybe necessarily has a credit pulled. For conventional and jumbo loans, we can do a soft credit pull. It does not trigger any trigger leads where other lenders are going to blow them up like Quicken. Mm-hmm. And I know. Right. And
it's not going to hurt their credit.
That's correct. It does not hurt their credit, and they can get through that pre-approval letter initially up front without damaging their credit, even if they don't find a house in the first 4 months before their credit expires. So that's something new that we're offering. And
you kind of need to know what that credit, because a person's got to qualify with having good credit.
Correct.
Their debt-to-income ratio needs to be low. Right. That means they don't need to be having more credit card debt than they do income coming in. And so you've got that soft credit can help start that initiation of looking for the right house in their right budget.
Sure.
Because you don't want to be showing somebody a $450,000 house when they really only qualify for $325,000.
That's right. Absolutely.
So that helps out a lot.
Yeah.
So guys, just back to the basics. Just, they're never outdated. And you need to make sure you're hooked up with a good loan officer like Brandy.
That's right.
Right? You can reach Brandy. What's your personal cell phone number, Brandy?
It's 678-897-7577.
There you go. And of course, the gang, Brandy and Todd and Justin and Ben, their direct number is 706-389-0691. Now, if you call that number, it's going to ring all four of you.
Sure. Yep.
And they also have an email address, scr.grm@gmail.com, and that goes to all four of you too. So keep them in mind. Let them help you help your client.
That's right. That's what we're here for.
That's right. That's what they're here for. And at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation. We help others get what they want, and we get what we want.
That's right.
Both sides, right?
That's right.
So keep that in mind, guys. It's a heck of a week. Can't beat this weather. It's kind of warmed up a little bit.
It's
right?
nice.
Beautiful
a little chilly
outside.
at night, but it's
chilly.
beautiful in the day.
Right. But we want to help people buy, and we want to help folks sell too. So we're helping buyers buy and sellers sell. And for that, we want to make sure that we always have the availability of good loan officers in our corner that can be there when you need us. And they're there. You just got to Give
Pick
them a
up the
call.
phone.
That's right. Give them a call. Text them. Heck.
Yeah, that's right.
Or email them, whichever's easiest. So I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for joining in with us on Monday Mortgage and talking about VAs and soft credit pulls.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys. Until next Monday, we'll talk to you soon. Enjoy your week.